cab cover. Remove right-hand post panel. Remove rear window striker and panel. Remove lower rear panel. Remove connector bezel and disconnect harness from the ports. Remove cup holder. Remove the right-hand panel. Remove the acoustic upholstery from cab. Carefully remove the radio cover, prying at the edges. Remove storage tray and compartment. Remove steering controller. Drill hole following the on-screen diagram. Install grommet. Start to route harness through cab. Route up cab post harness ties. Route fuse pigtail through rear of cab. Bolt ground connector to right cab post. Remove harness in Ethernet port and tuck away. Plug harness into port. Plug harness into config switch. Follow labeled connectors on harness. Connect rear harness to power stud. Mount fuse to harness bracket. Assemble Ethernet switch to bracket. Connect harness to switch. Follow harness labels to associate with switch cavities. Mount switch to rear of cab. Connect implement harness to cab harness. Route implement harness to rear of the machine. Remove rear implement attachment bracket bolts. Attach rear implement connector mount in place. Feed connector through bracket. Gently place connector housing over connector and secure. Zip tie implement harness coiling extra in a safe place. Zip tie cab harness in place. Reinstall right-hand upholstery. Drill holes on right side panel following on-screen diagram. Use bracket as template for drilling smaller holes. Place panel back in machine. Feed harness through bracket, seal, and panel. Install second bracket through connector and gently install connector housing. Reinstall panel. Place cup holder back in slot. Reinstall outlet panel. Reinstall lower interior panel. Reinstall upper rear panel and striker. Reinstall rear corner post. Reinstall radio compartment and bezel. Reinstall steering controller. Attach new rear cover to cab using raised lines to align the SMV sign. Update software to complete.